frame. My kitty is sitting right next to me. She decided to sit where I was sitting, so hopefully I'm still in frame. I wanted to go ahead and do my review, or not review, my unboxing of the FabFitFun spring box. So I got all like my makeup and hair and everything done. Kind of just threw my hair up for this video. As per usual with these boxes, there are things in them that I do know that are in them that I'm super excited for, so I kind of want to get to filming them as soon as I can. So this is what the spring box looks like. It's just got a plain box with flowers and stuff. Then if I go ahead and pop it open, it comes with some cute little stickers that say like FabFitFun, It's Your Time to Bloom, Spring 2021. Just some like cute little things. Then it's got the little magazine thing that tells about each of the products that either you got or could have gotten. It's got a little grow forth thing that you can send to someone with $15 off their first box. Some basic like little HelloFresh things and stuff like that one would get. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start with some of the things that I knew were in here first. So the first thing I have in here is the Sorbos Cosmetic Organizing Case. Makeup is beautifully displayed in one place, compact design, fits tight spaces, made of durable acrylic that resembles glass, which is super nice, for home and professional use, and it says it's easy to clean. So I'm going to like pop this open and see exactly what it looks like. It's a little smaller than I was expecting, but that's okay. Take the plastic off. I do wish it wasn't like packed in plastic. I don't see the point, but okay. So this is the first item in the box. It's got this cute little flowery thing on the bottom. And it's got like all these little slots and stuff. I feel like it would honestly be like a good spot to like store like lipsticks and stuff too, because it's got these like smaller little things. But I'm definitely going to be using this to organize. I already have my makeup organized, but I think I'm going to switch it over to this because it looks a little bit nicer. So that is the first thing in here. The next thing in here that I got, this is what the things that I chose, is the Our Place, the Lunchbox. So it basically is kind of a little like bento box. Let's see if I can open it. Oh my god, this is like actually cuter than I expected. So it's like this, it's like this little pink thing, and you pull this off and pop it open. It comes like with its own like little silverware. It has chopsticks, a fork, a knife, and a spoon. And then you just open it like this, I do believe. Yes. So you just pop it off. It's got one of these little things in it. And it's got like numerous like little sections in it. So you can like take the pieces out. This is actually so cute, and I definitely can see myself like actually using this. I don't know that I'll use the chopsticks because I can't say that I eat anything with chopsticks, but I think that's definitely like a cool little addition. And it does seem quite secure, like it doesn't seem like it would just pop open or anything. And I love that it has like these little rose gold pieces. Like honestly, I thought this was just going to be kind of like plastic, but it's not. It's like pretty nice material. I don't know if it says in here what it's made of. Let me see. Let's see. It doesn't say what it's made of, but it has a couple recipes in here. It's got avocado basil pesto and strawberry lemon basil water. So yeah, it doesn't say what it's made of. What is it made of? Well, I do see that it's a dishwasher and microwave safe. It is freezer safe. Definitely, it says don't microwave the strap, which is pretty self-explanatory. It's BPA free. It's sustainable plant-based fiber. So I don't know what it's made of, but it is like environmentally friendly. So let's see, I don't remember. Oh, I remember this. This is super cool. So one of my choices that I picked out was the Tech Candy UV Sanitizer. Basically you can like pop your phone in for 5 minutes and it kills multiple types of germs. It kills up to 99% of common germs in just 5 minutes and emits a radiation at 254 nm UVC, a level shown in scientific research to be effective against certain viruses and bacteria. UVC lights and UVC technology are widely used to kill bacteria and other microorganisms, shown in lab testing to kill 99.9% of staph, E. coli, and salmonella. So that's something super cool. I'm always worried about like germs on my phone and stuff, so I thought I could set this up and be able to just clean it. So it looks like this. It's got these like little bristles and stuff. It says do not open lid while in operation. So how do you open it? So you just pop this open. It looks like it's got like a little charging cable. I don't know if you keep it plugged in or charge it. Let's see. It says so it looks like you can either plug it in with the USB or it can be powered by 4 AAA batteries. And it just says to replace phone or other item into the device and close the lid. Wipe off surface dirt, debris, and gunk to allow for more complete exposure. Ensure that any electrical device is powered off prior to beginning treatment, so you have to turn it off. Press the power button on top of the device and the button will light up to signify device in sanitation mode. It says don't open the lid to the device during treatment to minimize personal exposures to UV light, and it takes 5 minutes. And then you can flip the item over and sanitize the other side of it as well. So that's like something super cool. Definitely something that I'm going to be using. It's something I saw when they were like doing like little spoilers and I was like, I definitely want that. So I'm really excited. Okay guys, so my SD card got full and my camera cut out, so I'm not sure where I stopped, so I'm just going to redo this part. You guys won't hopefully even notice the transition. So the next thing in the box is the Suns Out Pouts Out infused with Sika and honeysuckle flower extract. It's got 4 pieces of gold foil lip mask. I have never really tried lip mask before, but I'm super excited for this because coming out of winter and stuff, my lips are definitely kind of dry. I am really excited to try these, and they are vegan, so if that's important to you, then that's good. They feel very liquidy. That's my only issue with some of these types of masks, because I feel like they're really liquidy, but it also makes sense because they're moisturizing. So this is probably something you'll see on my blog because this definitely fits in with my blog. So definitely be on the lookout for how these are. The next thing in here is the Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Hair Mask. It is sulfate-free, paraben-free, and vegan. Clean Luxury Hair Mask, resplendent moisture treatment hair mask for instant gratification and sorry-worthy shine. I hope I said that right. Use weekly or daily and leave on hair for as long as desired. Rinse, get glossed. It says to apply to washed hair for 5+ minutes or even overnight and then rinse. So this seems like something that would be actually really cool to try overnight because I definitely have issues with my hair getting dry and stuff, so that would be like something really cool to try and like see if it helps. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this. It has some kind of like green on it, and I don't know if that's, I think that might be from something in the box, but I'm not really sure. It doesn't matter, but I might try and get that off before I do pictures of it for my blog. But the next thing in here that I'm really excited for are I really don't know how to say these, so it's S-A-I-E. They're little, it's 3 reusable beauty rounds. So let me pop them open. Here they are. They're super, super soft. You can machine wash them and put them in the dryer. So that's nice. They're just like super soft, and I'm definitely excited to try these. I think they will definitely add to my routine. I think this might be something I'll review. I'm not sure. We'll see. Some things I'm not sure if I'm going to review, and then once I review them, or once I use them, I'm just like yes or no. So we will see. This is something you definitely might be seeing on the blog. The next thing in here is the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampule, if that's how you say that. Marine Biome Brightening Ampule is named for the treasured ocean blue botanicals she possesses. Spirulina and blue tansy. She harbors concentrated adaptogenic oils that vigorously brighten and balance for an even radiant complexion. The ritual. Apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning. So I guess this is something I would use in like my morning routine. It just comes in this little bottle. It's actually quite pretty. I feel like this would look really cute sitting in this little thing. I think I'd have to go in like this section, but I feel like that would just look so cute together. So I'm really excited to try this. We will see how it works. This is definitely something I'm probably going to try and put on my blog. And it looks like it is plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten added, no soy added, small batch made, and woman-owned. So that's definitely something pretty cool to try. And last but not least in here, I have this item, which is very nicely wrapped. It is the Pure Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. It's kind of hard to read if you don't hold it the right way. Let your inner light shine with this antioxidant-rich face and body dry oil that's specifically formulated to capture the look of glistening skin. The unique soft focus diamond powder helps you achieve a radiant shimmer without the unwanted greasy feeling. So that's awesome. I hate greasiness. And I'm sorry if you can hear my dryer going off, by the way. I thought it would take me longer, or I thought it would take me less time to film than it would for the dryer, but it did not. Application for this says dispense dry oil onto the palms and apply to the face and body after cleansing and moisturizing. For the best results on the face, apply under foundation to achieve a radiant lit from within glow. So I'm definitely interested to try this. It'll definitely go on the blog as well. Ooh, this looks like it's going to be really sparkly and that kind of scares me. But it is cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly. Let's see, how does this come out? Okay, so it's in a little squeeze tube like this. I'm just going to put a little bit of it on my hand because I really want to see how... Okay, so it's definitely not greasy. However, I do feel like if you had oily skin, this might not be your best friend. It smells interesting. It's not bad, but it's not amazing. You can definitely see the little sparkles in it. So I'm not sure this is going to be something I use on my face. I am going to try it, but I am a little bit nervous about it. It feels like a glass bottle, which must be why it was bubble wrapped. So that's really nice. It does seem like a really nice quality. Yeah, we will see how this goes. I'll definitely update you guys. Usually things that are this shimmery kind of do scare me. But, you know, for the summer and when you like want the glowiness, it could be really cool. So that is my whole box for the spring. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and let me know what you guys think and if you've tried any of these items. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys!